We've got the basics down. Now we can finally unlock the central mystery here. And it all comes down to this one really powerful idea. It's called the frequency stabilization tendency. Now, this is super important. We need to understand the difference between two things, probability and frequency. Think of it like this. Probability is the on-paper number. It's the clean, theoretical value we just talked about, what we expect. Frequency, on the other hand, is what happens when the rubber meets the road. It's what we actually see in a real-world experiment. And let me tell you, it can be messy and all over the place, especially at first. And here it is. This is the solution to our entire paradox, the frequency stabilization tendency. All it says is this: as you do a random experiment again and again and again and again, that messy, chaotic, real-world frequency, it starts to settle down. It gets closer and closer and closer to that clean, theoretical probability. Repetition, that is the magic ingredient. It's the bridge that connects chaos to order. All right, so that's the theory. But, seeing is believing, right? Let's put this whole idea to the test and watch the magic happen with a few really clear examples. Let's kick things off with the absolute classic of all random experiments, flipping a good old balanced coin. And the event we're going to track is getting heads. Okay, check this out. After just 10 tosses, we get 7 heads. Whoa, that's a frequency of 0.7. I mean, that is way, way off from the 50-50 we expect, right? But look what happens as we keep going, up to 100 tosses, then 1,000. You can see that frequency starts to settle down. It stops jumping around so much and starts zeroing in on a very specific number. So after 1,000 tosses, our actual, observed, real-world frequency for getting heads landed at 0.503. You can see it's really stabilized right around that value. And what was our theoretical probability? What did the math say should happen? Exactly 0.5. Look at how close those are. The messy, real-world result, once we did it enough times, almost perfectly matched the clean mathematical prediction. That right there is the principle in action.